Hi friends, today we'll be talking about comfort zone. So what is comfort zone? Why people are always relaxed rather than working? What is the necessity to work when you can live in your comfort zone? Why people tend to hate working? Who wants to work, right? Everyone is working just to earn their living. But is that what you've been dreaming of? Just to earn a living, that's the reason are you working? No, right? Today we see most of the today's generation is just involved in playing video games, online games, and spending time here and there, not utilizing the proper time to think about their future, plan about their future. They are just wasting their precious time. So is that helping them? No, they are just making a zone where they can live comfortably. They have been imagining about it. This comfort zone will make you imagine more and more. It will not let you to step outside your comfort zone. It wants to live in the same zone forever. If you start living in the same zone forever, you will feel not to go out. If you don't step out, you will be forever stuck in the same imagination forever. You won't even earn a single penny with that. I know everyone would have dreamed to achieve some or the other thing, not like a small thing. Nobody would like to achieve a small thing. Everyone will have dreamed to reach the sky. Sky is also not the limit, right? There is something beyond the sky. But are you working to achieve your dreams? No. You're just dreaming more and more. You just want to further develop your dreams. You want to extend it. You want to just keep on building the dreams like a skyscraper. You don't want to work. If you start working now, you can put at least the basement for your skyscraper. If you put on a basement, then you can dream of reaching the ground floor, and then you can dream of reaching the first floor. If you're dreaming of reaching the first floor, work on the ground floor. That's the way how you build your dreams in reality. If you just keep on just dreaming about the ground floor, the first floor till you reach the skyscraper, you will be forever stuck in your imagination. The imagination will never turn into reality. Do you think these skyscrapers or any of these monuments were just being built just by dreaming? They worked on their dreams. They stepped out of their comfort zone. That is how you develop your dreams and turn them into a reality. And most of them in today's generation give up very soon. And why is that? Because of the difficulty, because of the failure they face. Most of them don't even have the courage to face the world. They will be thinking, if I try something new, what the world is going to say to me. Are you doing something in order for the world or for yourself? You're dreaming for yourself, not for the world. I know your dream might help others, but the beginning will never help anyone. Even Einstein was being laughed by their friends. But he turned out to be a great scientist, right? But he didn't just give up that everyone is laughing at me, no, I can't do anything. He started something new. He left all his schooling, he left all his comfort zone. He started working day and night. We don't want to go that back. We can see today's Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Ratan Tata. These are our admirers, right? These are our idols. Are they living in the comfort zone? Elon Musk could have been given up when he failed his first Starship. Did he give up? No. He still works day and night. He has so much money, he can just live a luxurious life. Yes, he is leading, but did he give up? No, he still wants to build more. He has dreamt more, so he is building more. But today's generation, they just want to keep dreaming. If you just keep dreaming and do not start now, you will go nowhere, my friend. Comfort zone is a danger zone. Step out of it. Life starts when you step out of your comfort zone. Thank you.